In this video, I will show you how to change opportunity stages in Salesforce. So you can see right now I have, for example, open pipeline, new, and all these other ones. If I want to change this to my own custom stages, then what you want to go and do is just open up Salesforce and you will need to go to the setup. To do that, go and click on this icon right here, left to the bell icon. So from there, click setup. And this will take you to the setup. Now here in the search bar, just search for object and then select object manager. And now here what you want to do is you have the labels in the left, so just scroll down and it's in alphabetical order. Now from here in the left, you just want to go to search for opportunities. So just click opportunity right there. Now here what you want to do is go to fields and relationships. And then from within this section, you want to see the field label, scroll down and go and click on stage. Then what you want to do is scroll a bit down and then here under opportunity stages, pick list values, you can see all of these stage names. So these are the ones that I showed earlier, such as qualification, needs analysis, etc. Now in order to go and change this or add new stages, what you can do is just select the action. For example, if I want to delete needs analysis, I can just click on delete right there and click OK. And then here we're going to click on save. And then you can also choose to add a new one. So just going to click new. And then from here, enter the stage name. So for example, I'll say contract send. And then for the type, it can be open, closed won, or closed lost. Now in this case, I'll set it to closed won. They can add a description, a probability that they will actually become a paying customer, and a forecast category. And then from there, just click save. And now when I go back to my pipeline, what I can do is click on new, and here just search for an account. And basically now when I add a new person and go to stage, I can now select the new stage I have created, which was the contract sent one. And then you can see the probability and forecast category are added automatically. And then you can just go and click save. And now you will see in my opportunities, now it will be included in my open pipeline. You will see it in new right here, and it is now added as a stage. What you can now also do is filter by the stage. So you can click filter, and click add filter. And then in the field, just gonna select stage, and then you can say equals, and then contract sent. And then you will only see those who you have sent the contract to once you click save. So that's how you can change the opportunity stages in Salesforce. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.